Hi friends, we're going to look at our math journal page for today. Now, I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So this page looks very similar to the page that we did on Tuesday. Again, we are going to count and compare dominoes. Now, our directions for today say, count each side of the domino, write the number, color the domino side that is smaller. So we're going to color the side that has less this time, less. Color the side that is smaller. So first we're going to count the dots on our domino. Ready? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write down, across, and down some more. That's how you write the number 4. On the other side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. Now I'm going to take out one crayon, and I need to color the side that is smaller, the one that has less. So I know that 4 is less than 5. There are less dots on this side. Let's do one more together. Ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to come down and around to pick up sticks. That's the way to make a 6. And then 1. Straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. Now I need to color the domino side that has smaller, that is less. So I'm going to color 1. 1 is less than 6. I'm coloring in my 1. 1 is less than 6. All right, my friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. Remember, you're going to count, write how many, and then color in the side of the domino that has less, the side that is smaller. We will see you back soon.